And another woman that can take your spotlight.
Welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Timia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do these crisscross passion twists. So to get straight into the video, I've already did my parts in my hair, and let me tell you guys, I'm not the best with parts, but luckily and even if you aren't the best with parts, once you do your twist, your parts really won't be seen in the back, so that's a good thing. But anyways, here are the parts in the back, and here are the sections I made in the front. So I made about 6 sections for the crisscross style in the front. And yeah, let's go ahead and start on the back first. So I'm using some rubber bands, of course. You want to add you want to add oil to the rubber bands to soften the rubber bands up to avoid hair breakage. This passion twist hair is water wave hair that I got off of Amazon, and I'm telling you, it's the best quality hair that I've ever had, and it's also cheaper than going to the beauty supply store. So I'll have that link down below. The gel that I'll be using is Braid formula, which is way better than Shine and Jam in my opinion. So for each twist, I'm going to use 3 pieces of the water wave hair. I'm going to add the hair to the base of my hair, and then I'm going to braid about 1/2 inch down, and then I'm going to twist the rest of the way down. I do like to add gel to the length of my hair to have it better blend with the hair, with the passion twist hair, and I also like to add gel to the passion twist hair. The majority of the passion twist hair, I don't make sure I get everything, but the majority of the passion twist hair to prevent any flyaways. So once I get down to the bottom, I do like to leave some of the hair out, so I don't twist all the way to the bottom because I want my ends to be curly. But once I get to the bottom, closer to the bottom, I like to braid it up a little bit, and then add a rubber band for some extra security so the twists don't unravel. Now, if you don't want to braid at the end, you don't have to, but I will say that the rubber band, it by itself is just fine, because I believe after a while, especially when I got to the front of my hair, I just used a rubber band and my twists didn't unravel. They're still, secured. So you don't have to do that little braid at the end like I did. So like I did before, I just added braiding gel to the length of my hair. And then I'm going to take about 3 strands of the water wave hair and add that hair to the base of my hair. And then we're going to braid about 1/2 inch down, and then begin doing our twist. So once we start doing our twist, I do like to add some braiding gel to the passion twist hair, just to, like I said before, prevent any flyaways and have a more smoother twist. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just repeating what I did for that first twist that I showed you guys. Okay, so like I said before, I did about 6 sections in the front for the crisscross style. So right now I'm on the 5th section. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that my part is as neat as I can get it. Like I said, I'm not the best parter, but we're gonna make a way. I'm also going to take the little bit of edges that I have and move them out the way, just so they're not stuck in the twist and they don't get pulled too tight and stuff. So we're going to take that section and split that section in half to start our crisscross style. So once I get that part straightened out, I'm going to go ahead and make my first row to make my first 2 boxes. And then we're going to add gel to each one of those pieces of hair at the base of those pieces of hair. I did run out of braiding gel, so I did have to start using my edge control, and I really don't like how it applied on my hair. It looked white, but anyway, so I'm adding a rubber band to each of those sections after I each of those parts after I add the gel, and then we're going to make another row behind it. So then for this one, I'm going to add gel to each one of those parts, and then I'm going to take one of the parts in the front section and cross it over to one of those parts behind it. So you'll see me do that right about now. So I basically repeated this for each row and each section. I think I did about 4 rows for each section. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do the rest of this section.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love.
Okay, so now we're going to add a twist at the end of each section in each row. So we're going to put the crochet needle underneath the rubber band at the back row, and then we're going to take 2 strands of the passion twist hair and pull that on through. So I don't have like a knot at the base of the hair. I just pull the passion twist hair straight through so that it's even on both sides. Then I take some braiding gel to add to my hair, so like I said before, it can better blend with the passion twist itself. And because that section of the hair is really thick, I went ahead and split that section in half, and instead of braiding 1/2 inch down, I just started with the twist all the way down. And like I said before, I stopped doing the braid towards the end. So once I was done with twisting and got the twist to where I liked it so that the hair can be curly at the ends, I just went ahead and placed a rubber band to where I wanted it to be placed. So this is how the crisscross look in the front. Now I'm going to do my edges so the style can look better. You don't have to do your edges if you don't want to, but I like to. I think the style looks more neat. And then I'm going to take some mousse from Shine and Jam, the Magic Fingers line. My top broke, so I was struggling to get this stuff out. But anyways, you want to apply some mousse so that you can prevent frizz and tame those flyaways and keep those at bay. But these are the results of how everything turned out. I really do like this style and plan on doing it again. And like I said before, if you are not the best parter, your parts won't be shown because the twist will cover it up. And yeah, so Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.